We are 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Damn.
As long as my heart beats, that door will be open. Doing God's work, feeding the hungry and fighting off the I guess what I said, yeah, fighting off hunger.
Hey, I'm Roan, and ever since I was a little kid, I've been eating food. Good cooking, good people, good music, good vibes. When you have all those ingredients, the whole neighborhood eats. This week, we're in New Orleans trying po' boys. A po' boy can be a lot of things, roast beef, shrimp, but it's always some variation of meat on a New Orleans baguette.
First po' boy sandwich is fried potatoes and gravy.
Damn.
Made by the Martin brothers in 1929 to feed the striking streetcar workers. Now it's involved like an everyday walk of life, walking your dog in the morning, going to church on Sunday. People in New Orleans gotta get it.
This is Justin from Parkway Bakery and Tavern. They've been serving po' boys for almost as long as the sandwich has existed.
You're in Parkway Bakery. Parkway's the oldest po' boy shop in the city of New Orleans. We take the old school, we bring it to the new.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you something we call the James Brown. Louisiana white shrimp, it's sweet.
With the Gulf of Mexico right there, it's a no-brainer to use local shrimp. But that doesn't mean that everyone does it.
Yeah, why would you go somewhere else if it's happening right
And
here?
believe it or not, people do. You know what I'm
They do?
saying? They should get a backhand for that.
They
you know?
should, man.
So right now they're making a lot of noise. There's a lot of moisture in them. When that moisture kicks out, they start to get quiet. They start to go to sleep. When they
Okay.
go to sleep, we're gonna put them to bed. It's real crispy on the outside, but on the inside, look how airy that is.
Ooh,
it's like
it's
cotton
light.
candy. It makes an accelerant for deliciousness right here, baby.
An accelerant for deliciousness.
This is our slow roasted beef right here.
Oh,
It's
buddy.
chuck, braised in a Kansas City style barbecue sauce that we make in-house. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take that shrimp. I told you we was gonna put it to bed. Then we're gonna put some jack cheese on it, right? Melt that cheese,
Holy shit.
that barbecue sauce over it, and then we're gonna hit it with that spicy mayo.
Oh my God. How is
Bam.
that real?
We met up with a couple local internet sensations, Kale and John, to try Parkway's award-winning sandwich.
So you fellas are from down here. Have you seen anything like this?
You know, honestly, I haven't seen something to this caliber.
When you slow cook it, it renders that fat to flavor. You put the roast in the oven, you crack a Mamita, you go to sleep, you wake up, it's ready.
It's heavy as hell.
Cheers.
You ain't eating a po' boy unless it's on your face.
Not on the shoes.
Can't waste nothing.
Yes, sir.
Can't wait. You
I was
just went
about
off that.
I was about to get it.
Busting.
That bitch busting.
Hey, the Mamitas busting too, though.
Parkway
Yes, sir.
Bakery, right in the heart of Mid-City. As for me, I'm always here. I live upstairs.
Yes, sir.
And we'll roll the old chariots along, we'll roll the old chariots along, we'll roll the old chariots along, and we'll all hang on behind.
No New Orleans po' boy tour would be complete without Domelice's, a tiny shop that has as much flavor as the sandwich.
As soon as you walk into this room, it's just overwhelmed with history and character. Can anybody make a po' boy, or does it take someone special?
I think it takes a lot of love. They're very proud of what they do. And if you're not proud of it, you don't belong back there.
I'm putting my thumb in the bread. You can see how soft the bread is. It's like a memory foam mattress.
You can see that thin outside crust kind of just pops. And
Yeah.
You go, oh yeah.
Little flaky.
Oh yeah. If it pops all over, you go, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What? Whoa.
Oh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh. There it is.
You can almost tell how big the flavor of a po' boy is going to be by how big of a character is making the sandwiches, which is why it's hard to find a better spot than Guy's.
These hands have made over 1 million po' boys.
Over 1 million?
Over 1 million. But my reputation is impeccable. I can't have anybody messing with my reputation. Look at that yolk dripping out of there. Woo! Hollandaise sauce before it was even Hollandaise sauce. This is the secret to looking good. These are the demons right here. Like, it's so easy just to
Pop them.
yeah, nah. That's their problem, that's their, that's them. I've been in this neighborhood since 1994, on this corner. I've fed up to 3 generations of families.
One of Guy's best sandwiches is a ham po' boy.
You know what the deal is about why deli ham is cut so thin? Flavor is surface-based.
So by having it thinly sliced, you're maximizing your surface area.
Maximizing your surface area that you're getting more flavor. Hey, that's scientific fact. I didn't make
We're
it up.
just talking
I
science
didn't
here.
make it up. If you don't believe me, maybe I did. Maybe I did. It's not a first date sandwich.
Unless
Unless it's a first date where you really kind of like the girl or the guy or whatever it is, and you want to find out how they act. Take them here, get them a big old sloppy sandwich, and if they get all paranoid, walk out. Yeah, it's out. We didn't even know it. Oh, I love this guy, man. This is my boy.
New Orleans isn't just famous for po' boys. They also specialize in fresh crawfish. And at the 69-year-old Frankie and Johnny's, you can get both.
It's been around since 1942. It's one of New Orleans' oldest neighborhood joints.
Oh, wow. That's
There you go.
absolutely massive. That's beautiful.
This is a large fried shrimp po' boy. We use Gulf shrimp, dressed for church, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and mayonnaise. And then it's served on Leidenheimer's French bread, which I bet you've probably seen that a couple of other times at your other places.
The not-so-secret secret of the po' boy, Leidenheimer's French bread. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Almost everyone uses it.
Oof. So yeah, I need to unhinge my jaw like a python to eat this thing. This is no joke.
As renowned as New Orleans is for their food, they're equally famous for their drinking. So when you're nice and sauced up, head over to Verdi Mart in the French Quarter and get a po' boy from local sandwich wizard, Merlin.
We've been here for half a century. We sell alcohol, cigarettes, and badass po' boys. We have all that jazz. It has a combination of grilled shrimp, Creole mustard, and then we layer that on top of ham and turkey, coat that with cheese, a Swiss and American, and we stock that. We have an in-house remoulade. My personal favorite, hot turkey with provolone with mustard and pickles, and I like to be healthy and I go on croissant.
Is that healthy?
It is healthy, yeah.
Kayla and John circled back to show me how the locals get down. Literally.
All right, so this is a very messy sandwich. You want to squat down and take
Wait,
a bite.
your ass is off the ground?
Oh yeah.
Unless you want to wear it all day. Look, if you're out of town, you better have a hotel because
You're going to sleep after
you ain't doing much after this one.
After nap time, it'll be time to start drinking again. And there's no better neighborhood dive, hole-in-the-wall spot to experience the true New Orleans than Parasol.
So you said you had your 21st birthday in here.
Did it splits in the bar and a bunch of shots. It was fucking wild. Oh, what's up, Fred? How you doing?
Yo, Fred! We're talking about the spot. I'm learning about the bar.
The best spot in the damn city.
You ain't know?
I'm trying to find out.
Man, you got a place to be.
We're known for our roast beef po' boy, and we're known for our firecracker shrimp po' boy. And we're the best in the town.
Damn, that was cocky. Did you see how she said that? She even kind of leaned back, threw the hips out, and said we're the best in the
Look,
town.
I'm just being honest.
What about the shrimp? It's a
Shrimp?
little bit spicy. That's what yours is
Right,
a
that's
little bit
firecracker
different.
shrimp, and it's just. It's
Wow.
fabulous. I mean, look, you're in the neighborhood. You're like, it's hidden.
Right.
You know?
It's
a
not on the
diamond bar.
strip with a bunch of...
No, with all the tourists. This is more personal. Y'all saw the chick with the edibles?
Those were edibles?
Yeah,
I thought they
dude,
were like
she comes around in
pralines.
her little fucking she's like, you want some treats? I got edibles. It's
Right.
ratchet, but you know, ratchet's the best. We get those Yelp reviews that are like, the bathroom's fucking disgusting. And I'm like, dude,
No.
you're disgusting.
You're disgusting. The
You
bathrooms are
suck.
sick.
This is Tully. It's about to get weird.
Good po' boys come from a good legacy, and that's exactly what they've got at Johnny's, just steps from Jackson Square.
Okay, I'm Lori Beth. Who am I? It's gonna take me 10 seconds.
Yeah, take your time.
We have been here since 1950, and I am the granddaughter of Johnny. They come in for the shrimp, they come in for the roast beef, and that's really what we're known for. My grandfather would cut the beef, and he used to boil it. He boils it stovetop.
And those timeless po' boys happen to pair perfectly with a Mamitas.
Alligator sausage would go wonderful with
Perhaps a
this.
roast beef po' boy, or maybe the shrimp.
Definitely.
While the po' boy tradition is deep, there are new ripples in the community, notably influenced by Louisiana's burgeoning Vietnamese population. Those two worlds collide at Banh Mi Boys, where they ditch the conventional bread for something closer to home.
I work with a local Vietnamese lady down the street from me. She makes the bread. It's the perfect vessel for all the stuff that goes in here. Got our spicy Asian barbecue sauce. Ooh, cucumbers on there, jalapenos, got the pickled carrots and daikon. Then we finish it off with the cilantro. I like to make food as if it was for me.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So that's love. So right now we have our spicy Asian brisket banh mi, and then we have the Cajun garlic butter shrimp banh mi. So banh mi is a popular street food in Vietnam. You know, I slam dunk it with the, you know, the heavy stuff, fried shrimp, brisket. I'm all about big flavors.
I feel a tingle through my whole body from like my lower back. Oh man, I need a little something to wash it down.
Wash it down. That little, what you got, lime right there?
Yeah, I got a little Mamitas. It's gonna pair well. I was right. It does pair well.
I'm big on flavors. I make sure you taste my food.
With a new hip class of po' boys flooding the market, big flavors and fresh ingredients are a must. They've got all of that and more at Killer Po' Boys.
Anywhere you'll go in New Orleans, you're gonna find the deep fryer. You're gonna find lettuce, tomato, pickle, and mayonnaise.
Right.
None of those things do I have here. There are 3 major bakeries that exist in New Orleans. You got Caduceus, which is an Italian bakery up in Gentilly. You got Leidenheimer's, a German bakery in Central City.
Okay.
And what we're using is Dong Phuong, which is a Vietnamese bakery out of New Orleans East. What's an alligator sausage? It does have-
Alligator sausage?
It's alligator sausage, and that's coming with green tomato chow chow, red onion, red peppers, green peppers, and just kind of saute that, a little bit of vinegar as far as that goes. Rainbow chard, a garlic aioli. Just kind of brings it all together.
If you're gonna try alligator, what better place to try alligator than down here?
Couldn't agree with you more, because this is where they're at.
Whoa. The difference in the bread is substantial.
Oh, without a doubt.
There's
it's not
like a
flaky and just...
Yeah, it doesn't crumble as much as other breads. It's so good, man. Thank you so much. I
You
really
are
appreciate
very,
your
very
time.
welcome.
That's all the spots we hit in New Orleans, but that doesn't mean they're the only ones to visit. Drop us a line, let us know where to go, and you might see us next time on Neighborhood Eats.